Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to rotate a page in Canva. This is canva.com and this is a template that I have in my Canva account. And to rotate this page, it's simple. Just select all the elements in this template like that. As you can see, there are multiple elements on my page. Now go to position from this toolbar, click on it. A new side panel opens up. Below advanced, you will see the rotate field. Fill in your rotation angle. I will go with 180. Click on enter. As you can see now, all the elements are rotated 180 degrees while staying on their place. As you can see, the free ebook on the top stayed on the top, also turned or rotated 180 degrees. I will undo this action. If you want this free ebook to be rotated and also place it down, just select all the elements like that. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Just select all the elements like that, and instead of using this position from the toolbar, you will see this rotation icon. Use it, tap on it, and keep rotating all the elements on your page like that. And this is how to rotate a page in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.